Rooms, chairs, beds, meters. How to measure the value of a hospital? We believe the answer is not only inside hospitals, but also outside. In a patient's life, in his ability to successfully manage his health and wellness on a daily basis. That is why in 2017, 9 of Europe's leading university hospitals came together and founded the European University Hospital Alliance. We collaborate beyond national borders, aiming to improve outcomes for today's and tomorrow's patients. Opening doors for researchers to collaborate, using this unique network of expertise to design best practices in healthcare delivery and education, and to develop strong relationships with stakeholders across Europe. Because all partners know the single most important achievement of our work is patient life, your life. European University Hospital Alliance. Meet and join us at euhalliance.eu.